This is the beluga whale, kids. It's white, friendly, and lives in the icy waters of the Arctic Ocean near Canada and Russia.
Look, it's the emperor penguin. It's black and white, and it lives in Antarctica, where it walks on ice with its family.
Meet the polar bear. It's covered in thick white fur and lives on the frozen sea ice of the Arctic Circle.
Here's the walrus. It has big tusks and thick skin, living in the cold Arctic waters of Greenland and Alaska.
This is the leopard seal. It's a powerful hunter that lives along the icy coast of Antarctica.
Say hi to the narwhal.
It's called the unicorn of the sea and lives in the Arctic Ocean near Greenland.
This is the Arctic cod. It's small and silver, living under the sea ice of the Arctic Ocean.
Meet the orca, or killer whale. It's black and white and lives in both the Arctic and Antarctic seas. Here's the Weddell seal. It lives near the Antarctic ice and dives deep to catch fish.
Say hello to the puffin. It's a colorful bird that lives near the cold Arctic coasts of Iceland and Norway.
This is the blue whale. It's the largest animal on Earth, living in icy Antarctic waters during summer. Look at the crab-eater seal. It's fast in water and lives around the ice flues of Antarctica.
Meet the Arctic fox. It has thick white fur and hunts along the frozen sea coasts in winter.
Deras bästa probenkonsten the cow tem grummable. Hajut in some gurt.
Here's the Gentoo penguin. It's fast underwater and lives on the rocky islands of Antarctica.
This is the bowhead whale.
It lives in Arctic waters and breaks thick ice to breathe.
Say hi to the snow petrel. It's a pure white bird that flies above the icy Antarctic seas. This is the Greenland shark. It swims slowly in the cold North Atlantic and Arctic oceans.
Look, it's the Antarctic krill.
These tiny shrimp-like animals are food for whales and penguins.
Meet the ringed seal. It lives under the Arctic ice and is a favorite food of polar bears.
Here's the Adelie penguin. It builds nests with stones on the icy shores of Antarctica.
This is the Arctic char. It's a colorful fish found in cold lakes and seas of the Arctic region. Say hi to the minke whale. It's one of the smallest baleen whales, living near icy polar waters. This is the South Polar skua. It's a seabird that flies over Antarctica hunting fish and eggs.
Look at the sea angel. It's a tiny, transparent creature that lives under the Antarctic ice.
Meet the Antarctic toothfish. It lives in freezing deep waters near the South Pole. Here's the elephant seal. It's huge and lives on icy beaches in the Southern Ocean.
This is the Arctic tern. It travels from the Arctic to Antarctica every year, the longest migration on Earth.
Say hi to the icefish. It has clear blood and lives in freezing Antarctic seas.
This is the polar krill. Tiny but important, it feeds many Arctic animals like whales and seals.
The Thailand's stuin frighteningary trikes. In swindling migrations into the Karset. Look at the blenny fish. It hides in crevices near the icy Arctic seabed.
Meet the sea spider. It looks like a spider, but lives under the Antarctic sea ice.
Here's the harp seal. It has a white, fluffy baby and lives on Arctic ice sheets.
This is the Antarctic silverfish. It's small and shiny, living under sea ice near the South Pole.
Are pigeons. The audio features a nature documentary ambiance, with the sounds of the Arctic Ocean and the movement of orcas.
Look, it's the polar plankton. These tiny creatures glow under Arctic waters and feed many sea animals.
Чинендове детям называется сканктов. Вот выпьем семени, работам забыло все, что вот свиньи в осенце пунцево челпе.